Recently, I received a call from one of our viewers. He was dealing with a memory stir problem on a vehicle. The vehicle, well, it really wasn't that old. Nothing really stood out about this vehicle as issues with memory stir. He had checked out the steering rack, he had checked out the ball joints, even replaced a lower control arm that had a defective bushing on it. But even after replacing the upper strut mount, he realized that the memory stir problem hadn't gotten better at all. So what was the source of the memory stir problem? Well, the vehicle had been aligned. And if you looked at the stats for it, going straight, everything was within specification. But the included angle was a little off when you turn the tires left and right. So the issue actually was a bent strut rod. This is very hard to detect because just a little bit of bend in the rod itself is really hard to detect. But once it goes into the body, it can cause issues with the strut turning and it can bind, and this causes the memory stir problem. So the next time you get a vehicle in your shop with a memory stir problem, don't throw parts at it. Make sure you're doing a proper inspection. Pull the boot back on the strut. Make sure you're looking at the rod itself because it can bend even though it is a very rigid piece of steel. But to avoid one of these situations at your shop, make sure you're performing a full inspection. Make sure on the alignment rack, you're not just checking the straightforward angles, but you're checking the SIA for the included angle and also the kingpin inclination. This can give you an idea what is wrong with the vehicle, and make sure you're looking at the cross camber and cross caster for the vehicle. This way you can make sure that that vehicle when it leaves your shop, there's no issues with the strut spinding or other problems with the vehicle that could cause a memory stir problem. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.